Fun to kids.
We will learn abstract noun today. Do you remember what is noun? A noun is person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: cat, house, girl, happiness. What is abstract noun? Abstract nouns are naming words that you cannot see, touch, smell, or perceive by any of your five senses. An abstract noun is used to refer concepts, ideas, feelings, love or honesty that cannot be seen, heard, tasted or smelt. In simple words, it is something you can feel or think about. Example: feeling, love, happiness or anger. Example of idea: freedom, honesty or friendship. Example of qualities: kindness, bravery, respect, helpfulness. If you have a teddy bear and you love your teddy bear so much. Here, teddy bear is a thing. You can touch it. But love for your teddy bear is an abstract noun because you cannot see or touch love. Let's see some more abstract noun. Joy, a happy emotion. Fear, a scared feeling. Bravery, being brave. Honesty, telling the truth. Which is the abstract noun? A. Apple, B. Happiness. Answer is happiness. Which is the abstract noun? A. Chair, B. Fear. Answer is fear. Which is the abstract noun? A. Cat, B. Honesty. Answer is honesty.